foot hammer. Today, we have this fine piece of machinery. It'll poke your eye out, but do nothing else. It's a broken airsoft gun.
Sounds like that.
Excuse me. Let's smash this. All right, let's smash this. Oh!
What happened to your arm?
Hit my hand.
Okay. You missed. Gosh. Alright. Yeah. Oh my god.
There's a spring over there. Just.
Alright, so the question is, yes, this can be hammered. This is probably the only remaining parts that we have that are actually
Not scattered out across
yeah.
the whole lawn.
So, hope to make more videos, and make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe.
Do not try this at home, please.